Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Marvin Gaye. What's going on? Cool. Okay, so this is not for beginners. We got a bunch of bar chords. So this is more advanced stuff. Song is in E. We're in standard tuning. Let's go. We got E major 7. That's 7, 9, 8, 7. Can keep the high E string open. Yeah, that's a cool sound. And then we got C sharp minor, C sharp minor. I mean, same here, we can keep the E string open. So we don't really need to bar this. So that's 4, 6, 6, 5. So that's the main verses, and then it goes to F sharp minor. So that's 2 barring 2, 4, 4. Or sometimes I grab the minor chord like this and add the thumb. And we have B7. That's 2, 1, 2, starting on the A string. Okay, so that's all the main chords for the verses and the pre-chorus and the chorus. Let's talk about the bridge when we get there. Here's the main rhythm: down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. C sharp. You can get a slap in there. It's good. F sharp. Back to E major 7. Turn around, go back to F sharp, B7. That's 3 times. And then chorus, what's going on? A to C sharp minor, E major 7. And then we have that really cool instrumental bridge when he's just kind of improvising. There's no words. Right on, man. Right on, brother. So that's an A minor 7. And if you like, we can add the pinky on top and make that a flat 7 right there. Sounds cool. And also move it to 3rd fret B string. Make it an 11 chord. B7 and back to verso. Okay, folks, that's all the parts. Let's review everything before we end the lesson, okay? So main verse, E major 7, C sharp minor. Have F sharp for the pre-chorus to B7. F sharp, B7. And then chorus, E major 7. C sharp minor. And then we got the bridge, A minor. To B7. Okay, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome songs. What a great song this is. Love it. All right, see you soon.